We are going to talk about teaching algebra to young children. So in front of me on the table, I have a unit, I have a monkey, I have an elephant, I have an x, and I have an x square. If I asked you, what's this? You should be able to now tell me that this is a monkey. If I ask you what this is, you should now be able to tell me that that is a unit. What's this? X squared. What's this? X. What's this? Elephant. If I asked you to show me an elephant, you could pick up the elephant and show it to me. That is a basic 3-period lesson where you say this is a unit. What's this? Show me a unit. So what is the difference between counting one unit, one monkey, one elephant, one x, or one x square? There is no difference other than the fact that we are counting units here, monkeys here, elephants here, x's here, and x squareds here. What changes is what we are counting, but we still have the same amount of each. Now, this concept of counting x's and x squareds is not really any different than counting elephants or monkeys or units. It's just a different kind that we're counting. So once the children understand the concept that we're just counting different kinds, right? Units, monkeys, elephants, x's, x squareds, then you can increase the amount that you're counting. So now we could add in a second unit maybe, a second monkey, another elephant, another x, and perhaps another x square. You can show them there's 2 units, there's 2 monkeys, there's 2 elephants, there's 2 x, there's 2 x square. And if need be, you could count 1 unit, 2 units, 1 monkey, 2 monkeys, 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 1 x, 2x, 1 x square, 2 x square. Ask them to show you 2 elephants. Ask them, what's this? Well, 2 monkeys. What's this? If they say that's 2x, you can say that's 2x square. This is 2x. This is 2x square. Can you show me 2x square? And they should hopefully be able to point to 2x square. The concept here is that understanding how to count different kinds is a big concept. But that concept doesn't change. The only thing that changes is how many we're counting. So we can get bigger, but the concept is still there, right? If you ask them to show you 2 elephants, hopefully they can count you out 2 elephants. If you ask them to show you 2 units, hopefully they can count out 2 units. Show me 3 monkeys. Well, they can pick up 3 monkeys maybe. Show me 1 x, right? And then you could ask them, what's this? What's this? Right? Show me 1 x squared. Beginning algebra with younger children is actually a very simple process. It doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be separate from learning to count. It can start right from the beginning, right when children are learning math using hands-on materials. No different than using counters like monkeys, or elephants, or units, or tens, or hundreds. We're just now changing the kind to x's and x squareds. Notice here we haven't actually written any symbols down yet. There's no need for that. Children do not need to be able to write to begin learning algebra. So I'm going to leave you there, and I hope that you actually get out your kits that you have, if you have them, and start teaching your younger children algebra. If you don't have the kits, well, hopefully you'll get a kit and the kit, but what I'm talking about is the, you can actually teach the algebra with regular base 10 blocks, but it is nicer to have these ones where you can flip them over and they're smooth on the back so that these can be unknown squares rather than a 10 square on this side, and where you can flip from being able to count 10 out and onto the side. It's also nice to have the multi-units like this, right? In fact, in this case here, you could say there's 2 units, there's 1 unit, show me 2 units, right? Well, we could actually put those down and put 3 in there. We do have 1, 2, 3 blocks, but this is 1, 2, 3 units. But that's another lesson, showing kids how that is the same as that. Actually, I'll show you the little equal sign there. That's a totally different lesson. Today was just about introducing the units like this, monkeys like this, elephants, x's and x squareds. And your children will be doing what most kids don't start until grade 8.